Welcome to the new R.C. Longan Elementary School building. I am Dr. Nicole Henderson, and I am incredibly proud to be part of this historic moment as we celebrate the opening of the new R.C. Longan Elementary School. We are not simply opening a new building, we are carrying forward more than 6 decades of history while creating the next chapter of the R.C. Longan legacy. Today we celebrate where we have been, take pride in how far we have come, and look forward with great hope to all that our Longan Lions will accomplish in the years ahead.
Keeping with the tradition of honoring the past while growing the future, this historic oak tree, unfortunately, could not be saved. However, it will be crafted into benches placed throughout this campus. In addition to planting 189 new trees, repurposing the wood reflects our commitment to sustainability, the environment, and creating new spaces to connect with the Longan legacy.
Well, it's certainly humbling for all of us to be here today, and I'm full of hope when I see this new, beautiful elementary school, a resource, an opportunity launching pad for the young men and women that will occupy it here next week and for the next half century.
This school is more than brick and mortar. It is a community, a haven, an opportunity for students to build relationships. We haven't just created a place of instruction, but a place for genuine connection.